In this video, we're going to show you how to assign tools to employees to hold them accountable for the equipment they use. In the Pro version of Power Toolsafe, you can create storage points. Using these storage points allows you to sort those tools by employees, work vehicles, or job sites. So let's get after it. Once you've uploaded all your tools and completed your full tool records, go to Storage Points and create a storage point. It works exactly the same as entering a tool. Upload photos, give it a name, location, and storage type. Now, go back to My Tools and select all the tools that belong to that storage point, to that work vehicle, or to that employee. After selecting all the tools you want to add, scroll to the bottom of the screen and in the drop-down next to Assign Storage, select the correct storage point and click Assign Storage. Now all those tools have been assigned to that specific storage point. And you can see in My Tools that they are listed as belonging to that storage point. In order to see only the tools assigned to a specific storage point, double-click on that storage point. If you want a list of tools to give to whoever's in charge of the storage point, click PDF or Excel and you're on your way. Now you can give it to your foreman or project manager and they know exactly what they are expected to be held accountable for keeping organized, in good working order, and on their job site.
For more information on how to protect your equipment, check out all the resources and videos on the Learning tab at www.powertoolsafe.com.